Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to download Bigo app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. So first of all, go to your app store. If you are iPhone user, if you are Android user, go to the Play Store. Here on search section, type Bigo, and so here you'll get at the topmost Bigo Live. So tap on get option. Now it starts downloading, and then tap on install button. Once you tap on install button, it starts downloading. So the process begins for some minutes. It will take some time. Wait for that, and in this way you can download Bigo Live on your device. Once it downloaded, it will show you open option. Tap on it and open Bigo Live. So in this way you can download Bigo app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.